Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate JCpenny credit card, right? Head over to your favorite browser. I will just go to Google and here in the search bar you have to type JCpenny credit card account, right? And if you want you can just try it activate and just hit the enter. Once you do it, you will get this link here. You can see JCpenny MasterCard, activate your new card. Just click on the first link, right? And once you do it, it will take you to here. Of course, this is the official website of JCpenny, right? And you can just enter the card number here and the security code, which is basically the three numbers and the last four digit of SSN, right? If you using this account or JCpenny, then of course you would have four digit of SSN code. And once you enter it, you will click on just activate my card, and that's it. Your MasterCard, your credit card is been active. So this is how you can do it. If you found this video useful, subscribe and make sure to like this video. See you guys in the next video. Take care.